drug abuse. Okay, so this entire unit focus about the drug abuse only, about the meaning of drugs, drug addiction, types of drugs, causes, consequences, preventive measures. Like this, we discuss about the drugs. Okay, so drug abuse mostly the usage of drugs people learning via negative peer pressure. So from the school time or college time only, the students learn due to negative peer pressure. So they slowly learn the drugs and they abuse the drugs and addict to the drugs also. So it also come under the peer pressure, like how we discuss about alcoholism, smoking, like that. Drugs also due to negative peer pressure only, the students will learn. Meaning of drug. Drug is any chemical substance. When you consume or when you take the drugs, that time your normal function of your body gets some altered. That type of chemical substance we can call it as drugs. Okay, alcohol means only the liquid form. After consuming some liquid, any changes happen in your body, that things we consider as the alcohol. But drugs means any form, like it available in the powder form, it available in the tablet or in the liquid form or leaves, like this number of form is there. So after consuming some any chemical, anything has happened in your body, that chemical we can consider as the drug. Okay, next one, drug abuse. Drug abuse means like when the individual taking the drugs more than the limit or using different method, that things we consider as the drug abuse. Drug use is there, like sometimes the doctor recommend the medicine, sometimes some medical professionals recommend some drug for the treatment, that is drug use, a drug usage. But when the patient taking the drugs by own and taking the more than the limit and taking the different method, that type of things we consider as the abuse, mostly drug abuse. Okay, so that is meaning of drug abuse. Next one, drug addiction. Drug addiction means when the individual addicted to the drug, like always the mind, the brain remember about the drug, always the individual have the triggering about the drug only. It's like whenever there is free time, whenever there is the holiday, the mind thought about the drugs, like every day, every weekend, like this the individual thought about the drugs only. When it happen, that stage we can consider as the drug addiction. Okay, like this drug abuse leads to drug addiction. Okay, okay, now we go for types of drugs. We have two types of drugs, legal drugs and illegal drugs. Legal drugs means it available in the market, there is no restrictions, prohibition on that. That type of drugs we can call it as legal drugs. Next one, illegal drugs. Illegal drugs means there is some restriction, prohibition by the government, it not available in the market. The type of drugs we consider as illegal drugs. Those who are consuming, those who are storing, those who are buying, it considers the illegal activities. That type of drugs we consider as the illegal drugs. Okay, like this we have the two different types of drugs, legal drugs and illegal drugs. Legal drugs means, so I told you, like the doctor recommend the some drugs to the patient and it available in the market. People can buy from shop. It also some drugs is there. That type of drugs we consider as the legal drugs. For example, the caffeine, nicotine, sleeping pills, alcohol, betel nut, some inhalants. These are the type of drugs we consider as the legal drugs. Okay, so from the first one, caffeine, the coffee powder. The coffee powder is the drugs only. Sometimes tea powder also mixed with some. That also the plant in the name of some drugs only, because after consuming the tea, after consuming the coffee, the people feel fresh. The people feel some energetic. He come out from the some he feels some energy. Okay, so when it happened due to some powder, due to some leaves, it considers the drugs only. So the coffee powder, tea powder also type of drugs. Some people like every day they want to drink the bed coffee. If there is no bed coffee, the you not feel, the individual not feel normal. He feel tension. He feel some uh, aggressive or tension also. Even some of the workers also want to drink the tea in interval time. The individual not able to drink the tea in the interval time or every hour, every free time they want to drink the tea. If there is no tea, then he feels some tension or he not feel normal. He feels some stress. So and so things the individual make it. Okay, so the tea powder, coffee powder also type of drugs only, but it is the legal drugs. It also make you addict. It also make you fresh or some change happen in your body after consuming the coffee or the tea powder. Okay, it has some effects, but this is the blood sugar level will get increased and storing the fat things also because of coffee or the tea powder. Okay, this is also one of the legal drug. Next one, nicotine. Nicotine also legal drug. It available in the market. While prepare a cigarette, they add the nicotine. Nicotine only make the individual addict, make you individual want to intake, want to inhaling the smoke again. It may happening. Okay, so nicotine only give the taste and it only change the mood. It only change the your normal function of your body. So nicotine mixed with cigarette, it available in the market. So nicotine is considered as the legal drugs. So due to the nicotine, individual may face number of problems, that is lung cancer, throat cancer, stomach. Already we discussed about the ill effects of smoking. So like these things individual may get due to the nicotine. So nicotine is the legal drug. Next one, sleeping pills, tablet, medicine or any syrup. Okay, so these are the medicine related things also we consider as the legal drugs. Sometimes the doctor recommends some sleeping pills, or sometimes the doctor recommends some injection also for the painkiller, or sometimes doctor recommends some syrup also. So that whenever the people produce the medicine, they mix with some level of drugs also. It only make you relax, it only reduce the pain, it only make you sleep. Okay, so the sleeping pills, some medicine, some injection, some syrup also mixed with the drugs only. So these are the drugs we consider as the legal drugs. It available, doctor also recommend to the patient to the legal drugs. So due to sleeping pills, like number of effect is there, like headache, diarrhea, some other unusual dreams, weakness, like this dry mouth, like this number of problems the individual may face due to medicine. Medicine also type of the legal drug. Next one, alcohol. So alcohol, you know, it available in the market. Some government banned the alcohol, but some government selling the alcohol. So alcohol also type of the drugs only, because after consuming the alcohol, some changes happen in your body. The normal function of your body gets some altered. So alcohol also considered as the drug only. We have different types of alcohol, like beer, brandy, rum, whiskey, like this. We have different types of alcohol is there. So all alcohol we consider as drugs. Okay, so due to the alcoholism, we are getting number of ill effects, like heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, obesity, like this number of effects, number of impact the individual facing due to the alcohol. So alcohol also type of the legal drugs. It also give number of impact to the individual. Next one, beaten nut. Beaten nut is the common in South Asia. Like people are sometimes chew the beaten nut. In rural and urban place also, people are taking the beaten nut. In rural, most of the elderly people take the beaten nut with the tobacco. They used to chew the beaten nut. That time, while chewing the beaten nut, they feel some relax. They get some energy also. So people is addicted to the beaten nut. In urban place, like pawn shop is there, like sweet pawn, masala pawn, like this number of pawn also there. So when the people are chewing the pawn, chewing the beaten nut, they feel some relax, they feel some sensation also, like warm sensation or pulse rate also change due to the chewing of beetle nut. Okay, it also type of the legal drugs. It also drugs only because while consuming or chewing the beetle nut, feel some energy, feel some fresh. Okay, so beetle nut also considered as the legal drugs. It has some impact, that is oral cancer, some warm sensation individual may face. Next one, inhalants. Inhalants means some smell. Okay, like in market, number of smell related items also there. The smell also gives some mood change or the addict to the smell. For example, some students addicted to the marker smell. Some individual addicted to the nail polish smell, paint smell, or some other smell. Some people like some particular perfume smell also. Okay, because that also type of the drugs only. When you when you inhale something from your nose, it affect your brain, and suddenly your nervous system get changed. You feel some different. Okay, like when you inhale the smell from with your nose, it affect your normal function of your body. So inhalants things also we consider as the legal drugs. Like, right? Some marker, some petrol, some perfume. Some individual doesn't like the perfume. Some individual like the perfume. Without the particular perfume, he not feel comfortable. He always want to smell. He always want to keep the. Some people want to keep the balm also. They want to smell the balm. They want to smell the particular things. Then only they feel fresh. So the smelling related drugs also there. They also type of the legal drugs. Okay, so we have number of effects from the inhalants also, like the difficulty in speaking, brain damage, organ damage, sometimes death, like this problem individual may face. And we have long-term effects also, like weight loss, muscle weakness, irritability, depression. This type of problems also individual may face due to the inhalants. So this type of drugs we consider as the legal drugs. It available in market, government also not prohibited. So that is the legal drugs. Next one, illegal drugs. Illegal drugs means it is prohibited by the government. It's not available in the market. Those who are buying, those who are consuming, it considers the illegal activities. That type of drugs we consider as the illegal drugs. For example, the opium, heroin, morphine, ganja, brown sugar, cocaine, LSD, HSD, marijuana. These are the types of drugs we consider as the illegal drugs. Okay, so there is restrictions on these drugs, so it considers the illegal drugs. Okay, so from the illegal drugs, first one, ganja. So ganja is the illegal one in India, but some of our neighbor country, foreign country also, ganja is the legally accepted for medicine purpose, some other reason also. But in India, ganja is the restricted one. So ganja considered as the illegal drugs. So ganja comes from the plant called cannabis. We have some other names also, like weed, grass, pot, like this. We are telling some other name for ganja. And the chemical name is THC. That is the chemical of ganja. So those who are taking the ganja, they give number of impact, short-term efforts and long-term efforts also. Individual may face, like increase the heart rate, and it also decrease your concentration and feeling of tired, and increase the weight, so and so problems individual may face, those who abuse the ganja. And we have long-term efforts also, like breathing problems, lung cancer, difficulty in motivation, difficulty in processing new information. That type of problems also individual may face due to ganja. Okay. Next one, marijuana. So marijuana also number of school going children, college going children are taking, because it is available in the market, like small packet. They can keep inside the mouth, small like horns, small like this way available. So number of people are using, and they take marijuana by like cigarette also. So it also type of the illegal drugs. Okay, so it affect the lungs, like this number of problems is there due to the marijuana. Okay, next one, GHB. GHB also type of the illegal drugs. There is no color for this, but it available in the liquid and powder form also, and people are taking the GHB. By taking that, they have number of problems, like the breathing problems, or dangerously decrease the heart rate, like these problems also individual may get due to abuse of GHB. It also type of the illegal drugs. And heroin is the white or dark brown powder. So it also give number of impact. Abusers don't know the actual impact of heroin, so sometimes they may take overdose also. So overdose may leads to death. Okay, because they may take different forms. Heroin available in powder form, heroin available in the liquid form, heroin available some other powder also. So when they intake the things, it give number of impact to the individual. Okay, like it change the color of your skin, and it dry mouth, and your liver problem, your nerves problems, and it also gives some impact to the lungs, liver, kidney, brain. That things also get damaged due to the addiction of or abuse of heroin. Okay. Some photo, like she used to take the heroin at the age of 29. So when she take the heroin continuously, this is the year by year the example how the heroin changed the individual. Okay, so at the age of 38, when she totally addicted to the heroin, she totally changed the look, totally got changed. Okay, like the skin color and the physical appearances totally get changed due to the addiction of heroin. So heroin is very dangerous than other drugs, even the alcoholism and smoking also. So drugs are very dangerous than other. Okay. Next one, cocaine. So cocaine also illegal drugs. So cocaine come from the plant called cocoa plant. White powder. So even powder form and tablet form also the cocaine is there. So cocaine also very dangerous things. So while taking the cocaine, some people are taking the cocaine because of some other reason, like feeling energetic, feeling like sound mind, feeling good sexuality, feeling confidence, feeling self-control. Like this way, some people taking the cocaine. But when the people are taking the cocaine continuously, they used to addict, and directly, indirectly, it affect the health also. The people not aware about, but taking the cocaine, but later part only they may aware, they may understand the impact of cocaine. Okay. And taking cocaine, it's very slowly only it will work. So people not aware about how much they're taking. Sometimes they may take overdose also. So while taking the cocaine, they may take through needles, and sometimes they take through nose also, in powder form also there. So they take through nose also, so it affect the nose. Okay. So the impact of cocaine is the blood vessels get thicker, and the heart muscles also work harder and raise the blood pressure. Small amount also may give overdose and overreaction things come due to the cocaine impact, and overdose also may sometimes heart failure things also may happen. Like this, number of impact is there due to the heroin. Okay, number of movies also showing about the types of drugs and how the people are taking the drugs, like Udit Punjab, Arjun Reddy, like this number of movies also there, which they're showing about the way of drugs and the way of taking the drugs, all those things. Some people taking through needles, some people taking through nose, some people taking through oral, some people keep the things in mouth, like this different way they're taking. But whenever you take the drugs in such a way, it affect the particular part, it affect the health also. Okay, so the nose tissue get damaged, and your heart problem, lungs problems, just pain, like this breathing problems, like this number of problems individual may face due to illegal drugs. Even the legal drugs also give some impact to the individual. Okay, some of the photo about impact of methamphetamine or the cocaine or heroin, like this. If the individual taking the drugs means this type of changes may happen, like the skin color, the appearance, the thick skin. Even you also can able to identify some people, those who addict to the alcohol, those who addict to the drugs, the physical appearances, the skin color, the look also we can able to notice. Okay, so this is the way the physical things, skin things get changed due to addiction of drugs. Okay, some of the images for understanding how the drugs impact the individual. Okay, so in India, totally 237 substance considered as the illegal drugs. Okay, so I mentioned only few only, but we have number of drugs considered as the illegal drugs. There is a website, you can go this website, like Wikipedia drugs policy in India. In this website you can get all names of illegal drugs. Okay. Next one, causes why the people are taking the drugs. It's mostly same reason, a common reason, the reason of alcoholism, reason of smoking. Why individual are addicted to the alcohol, why individual are addicted to the smoking, mostly same reason for drugs also, like negative peer pressure, some other reasons. I'll discuss one by one. First one is media. So the media also influence the individual to take the drugs, because nowadays number of cinema they're showing that the villain or hero taking the drugs. So the fans also may take the drugs, and sometimes the online web series also showing the drugs related series also there. When the individual watch so and so series, so they also want to try what it is, how it is, why it is popular, so and so mind happens, so they may take. Okay, so media only publish the things broadly, so it attract the individual, so individual may taking the drugs. And next one, the boredom, like people are separate from the parents, they're living alone, are living in the rented house or hostel. When the people are living in hostel or a rented house or away from the parents, weekend they feel bored, like Saturday, Sunday or any holiday they feel bored. So due to the boredom, people want to try the drugs, so they may try. After that they abuse and they addict to the drugs, such a way it happening. As well as the curiosity also, want to know what it is, how it is, why it is like this. The curiosity also happen from the teenage people, particularly school going on, college going children are curiosity is there, so they may test, they want to know what it is, like this way also they may try. That way also they addicted to the drugs. So boredom, curiosity also reason of drug addiction and drug abuse. And emotional pressure, like due to the emotional reason, the individual addicted to the or using the drugs also, like sad time or success, failures, happy, like this, they want to enjoy the time, they want to control the emotional, so they may take different types of drugs to enjoy the event, enjoy the emotion. Okay, so that way also people are taking the drugs. It also causes of drug abuse. And celebrations, like nowadays, number of birthday parties, number of party, the people are arranging the drugs also. So when the individual arrange the drugs, it's like showing the um, richness, showing the party events. Okay, so some people knowingly are want to show the power, so they arrange the drugs also in the celebrations party. Okay, so like these number of birthday parties or any parties, the drugs also people are providing. So when the people are attending the party, they test the drugs in the celebration event, celebration day. Okay, that way they addicted, they abuse the drugs. So and so things also happening, that also causes of drug abuse. And peer pressure, mostly negative peer pressure, what type of friends you have, it depend upon that also the individual learn the uh, drug abuse. Like because in school going, college going students only learn the drugs mostly due to the negative peer pressure. The friends only tells about the what is drugs, what type of drugs are available, what is the rate of the drugs, how it works, so and so things the students get from the negative peer pressure only. So due to negative peer pressure also, individual may learn the drugs. Like this, we have number of reasons, number of causes of drug abuse. Okay, not only that much, the overall the general reasons are negative peer pressure, the bad friends influence, reason of uh, illegal drugs or drug abuse, and curiosity, want to know what it is, how it is, the mind also thought about the drugs, so the individual may rest. And boredom, relief from the boredom, time pass also, people may take the drugs. And suffering from the emotional pleasure like anxiety, depression, mental illness, to come out from the problem, sometimes the individual addict use the drugs. And sometimes the individual see from the family members or see from the friends, see from the role models also, like the parents are taking, friends are taking, the hero heroines also taking, like this. When your close circles, your role models, your parents are taking, friends are taking, means automatically the mindset happen to other individual also, so the individual also may take the drugs. And physical injury also, after the physical injury, the doctor recommends some sleeping pills, doctor recommends some injection also. When the individual like the feeling, so after treatment also, the individual may try the again the same tablet, again may try the same injection again. So that way also the causes of drug abuse is there. And sometimes people think that it will be help fit to them. Sometimes people think that it only give energy, it only give you freshness, it only give the in a kind of a talent, it only make you a proper man, proper person, like this way also people thinking. So they may take the drugs again. Like this number of causes are there why individuals are taking the drugs from our society. Okay, next one, consequences, impact. We have number of impact is there due to the uh, drug abuse, like loss of productivity and loss of employment also. Like after consuming the drugs, they're not able to work properly, they're not able to do the activity properly. Sometimes after the smoking also the people can work the things properly. Even sometime after the alcohol also the individual can work the work properly. But after consuming the drugs, the individual cannot work anything properly. We gave a number of nervous things, and he's not able to control the physical activity also. So he may lose the employment and he not able to work more. So loss of productivity, unemployment problems also individual may face due to abuse of drugs. And it affect the health physically, and mental health also may get damaged due to the addiction of drugs. Like physically means when you addict the drugs, your full function of your body gets some alter, your lungs problem, heart problem, your throat, oral cancer, like this number of problems the individual may face. And mentally also, like addiction, stress, depression, want to test again, that quantity also happen. So mental problem, physical problems also individual may face due to drug abuse or drug addiction. And reduce the quality of life, like the individual not able to learn anything other, the focus about only the drugs only. So your quality of life, your purpose of the life also may get damaged, may get affected due to the drug abuse or drug addiction. And sometimes drug addiction also, drug use also, abuse also reason of crime and reason of violence also. You know very well, nowadays number of pickpocket, mobile phone snatching, chain snatching things also happen by the youngsters, like college going children or the school going students only doing the chain snatching and mobile phone snatching. So why they are doing why they participate in the crime activities? Because of they addict to the drugs. To buy the drugs they need money, so they're doing the crime or violence activities also. Through that they earn money and they buy the drugs. Like this way also happening. So the crime violent things also increasing due to the drug abuse. And abuse and neglect their own children also, because when the parents are taking the drugs, they're not aware how to treat with, how to deal with the children, because they are out of conscious, full nervous system get changed, full function of your body also get altered. So they're not able to aware how to take care of the child, how to be with the child, how to be with family members. So sometimes the own parents abuse with the child and neglect the child also. That type of problems also, family problems also may happen due to the abuse of drugs. And expense for the treatment also, because if once an individual addicted to the drugs means it need money to give the treatment, like they have to admit in the hospital, like therapy, counseling, medicine, like this number of things they have to spend for the treatment. So family has to spend a lot for the treatment. Like these problems also the individual may face, the kind of consequence also is there due to the addiction to drugs, addiction to illegal or legal drugs. Okay, we have other impact also, like mostly women, when women addicted to the drugs, when women taking the drugs, it give the other impact also, mostly the pregnant woman. Okay, when pregnant woman take the drugs, it create the problem like miscarriages, premature birth, low birth weight, birth defects, developmental problems. Like these problems also the child may face due to the pregnant woman taking the drugs. So drugs is very dangerous, so we should avoid the drugs. Okay, and drug prohibition, we have number of law all over the world, all country have some law to control the drug trading and drug dealing. Okay, in India also we have two law to control the drug abuse, like the act called Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, and the Prevention of Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Like this, we have two different acts in India. It helps to control the drugs trade and drugs dealing things from our society. Okay, we'll discuss the act separately. So the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985 says that it is illegal for a person to produce, to manufacture, to cultivate, to process, to sell, to purchase, to transport, to store, to consume. Okay, so any individual produce, manufacture, sell, purchase, store, consume the drugs means it considers the illegal activity under the Narcotic Drugs and the Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Okay, so under this act only we introduce one investigation bureau, that is Narcotics Control Bureau, also formed under the act of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act. Okay, and recently also number of Bollywood actors and in Karnataka also Sandalwood actors also got arrested, and they're doing inquiry also about the drugs based on this act only. Like those who produce, those who store, those who consume the drugs, it considered as the illegal activities. Okay, in India, this act really helped to control the drug things from our society. And some preventive measures also there, like the positive relationship also will help to control the drugs, and exploring the withdrawal treatment also will help to control the drugs, and finding support, learning new habits, controlling, triggering the people. Like if you are negative peer pressure is means you can avoid the negative peer pressure. That way also we can able to avoid the negative peer pressure. And also never lose your hope. It also help to control the abuse. And also never lose the like this. We have number of preventive measures are there. If you follow in your life, it really help to control the drugs. And we have other preventive measures also there, like rehabilitation center. If anybody identified the drug abuse, drug addiction means, then we can admit in the hospital, some center really giving the proper therapy for the treatment of the drug abuse. And we have to arrange a number of awareness programs also, like in school, college, some other place. We have to arrange the awareness centers, awareness programs for the students, particularly school going and college going students. They have to attend the programs. It also helps to control the drug abuse from society. And we need to arrange the personal counseling also. So those who come out from the abuse, the government or the college, school has to arrange the counseling centers to the students. When they attend the counseling class or awareness class, it also helps to control the drug addiction problem from our society. Okay, so not only this type of preventive measures, we have other preventive measures also. Like we have number of NGOs also there. The NGOs also working in our society to give the proper care to the people. Like they're giving the online counseling, online way they give the some counseling to the individual for the recover from the drug addiction, recover from the drug abuse. Okay, so like this, we have number of treatment or preventive methods available from our society. So we should aware, we should participate in these programs. Then only we can able to come out from the drug abuse problems from our day-to-day life. Okay, thank you.